Welcome to WebStyleBrus. In this video, I will show you how to download all images or photos from Google Photos. To do that, go to google.com and click your profile image from top right. Click Manage your Google account. Then from the left side, click Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down, and from this area, Download or Delete Your Data, click Download Your Data. This is Google Takeout, takeout.google.com. Here, they have selected everything to be downloaded. 68 of 70 selected, as it is shown here. It's got everything, all of my data on Google. But I can click deselect all, and then I can select what I want. So here I will search Google Photos, and I will check this option in front of it because I only want my photos. It will include all photo albums and multiple formats. I can customize the download from here as well. Then scroll down, click Next Step, and from here choose the destination, choose frequency, file type, and file size. You can choose third-party storage services to receive the download, or you can get the download link in email. You can choose the frequency of your download. Is it one-time export, or do you want a regular backup? You can choose file type. Zip is fine in this case, in most cases. And then you can select the file size. Let's say total download size is 4 GB and you select 2 GB from here. In this case, you will receive 2 download links. But if let's say your images size is 1 GB and you select 2 GB, you will receive 1 download link to download all your images. Max file size allowed here is 50 GB. It is to give you convenience in download process. So after you set all these parameters, click Create Export button to download all your images in one go. And that is it. Depending on your choices, you will be able to download all your images by using this process. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.